Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Desire. Third study vlog. Don't wake up with the regret of what you couldn't accomplish yesterday. While waking up, only think about what you will be able to achieve today. Starting with this positive quote, I would like to wish everyone a happy good morning. And it's around 10 o'clock, and today I wake up a little late than usual because I was not feeling well yesterday. So I just slept a little longer, and it's around 10:30. So I missed my morning walk, and I just went outside to get some fresh air so that I can start my day with full energy and a new start. While we are preparing for this exam, all days are not the same. Few days are very much productive and few days are not. But the most important thing is that we keep our work going and we keep on learning new things. It's around 11 o'clock and I have finished my breakfast. I got freshen up, and around 11:30 I have started my first study slot. And today I'm reading geography. In geography I'm reading climatology. So I have covered this particular chapter from my tablet. So I have made notes from the tablet, and now I'm reading this reference material which Byju's have provided me. So earlier I have read it, but now I'm revising this thing. And what I have done, like few small things, I have also made some charts and I have pasted in the book. So I don't make any notes out of this reference material. I have just highlighted the things here. Climatology is a very basic, like the starting chapters in the geography, and it has a lot of basic concepts. And this concepts really, if we revise it well, it also helps us in the prelims, because a lot of these basic concepts consist of a lot of prelim facts. So each of this line consists of some MCQs, and there are few concepts which may be asked in the mains. It is around 2:30 and I have completed my lunch, and I have started with my second study slot, and I am reading atmospheric circulation. It's geography, and I have covered this lecture previous day, and I'm just reading. Geography comes in General Studies paper 1 of UPSC mains. So sometimes people also think it consists of mostly the current affairs, but it's also important this we cover this static portions, because there are few concepts which are asked in mains in previous year question papers I have seen. So I found covering this statics also important. Whenever I start a new chapter, I always go through that particular reading once, and in my second reading I highlight the things and I underline the important things. So this process helped me to exclude out the unnecessary points and the least important points in terms of revision. So this process have really helped me. It's around 4:30 and here I'm starting my third study slot, and I'm today mostly my day consists of doing revision, and here I'm revising my handwritten notes which I made for the same chapter, atmospheric circulations. So these are the notes which I made while watching the tab lectures. So here I try to make a lot of diagrams. As I have told all of you earlier also, I take the printouts of the PPT which has been provided to me. So this things really saves my time. So I have included those papers here itself. So my notes are as usual a mixture of handwritten notes and the printed notes. So this helps me to save a lot of times. Here I have made a lot of quick diagrams also, which I can use while doing some of the answer writing practice for the mains. So these notes help me to prepare for prelims and mains. So this is the integrated approach which I follow. Now I'm almost about to end this study session, and here I have taken 30-minute breaks and I'm enjoying watermelon and lemon ginger tea. After having this refreshing evening break, around 6:30 I'm starting my fourth study slot, and here I have taken my sociology book, The Essentials of Sociology by Nitin Sangwan. So I have completed my sociology optional syllabus, and I'm just in this revision phase where I'm revising each of the topic of my sociology every day. So while revising this book, what I do, I just make small diagrams from which I can, by just watching this small diagrams, I can revise it entire portions. So this is my strategy when I'm revising my sociology portion. I have elaborate notes for each and every topic in the sociology because I made notes while watching the video lectures, but making these small representative diagrams helps me to revise things faster because I'm almost familiar with all the theories and concepts. As I have completed my sociology syllabus, I always try to read one of the chapters each day, or try to practice answer writing for my sociology optional. So this really helps in revising the subject. It's around 8:30 and I have completed my reading, and I have taken 30 minutes break to have my dinner. And around 9:30 I have started my fifth study slot. So here I am watching current affairs video on YouTube. Initially, when I started to prepare, I used to write a lot of notes from the current affairs video, but after a time I realized it's a very time consuming process. So mostly I just watch the video and I rely on the notes, and I also follow the monthly magazine. So this helps me to save a lot of time, and I just made notes of the few important topics. So it's around 10:45, around 11 o'clock at night, and surprisingly it was raining. So I just went down and I found the scene very delightful, and there was lighting in my locality because there was a function. In addition to it, there was a surprise rain, so the whole scenario was looking very cinematic and very beautiful. So I just captured this moment. It was very beautiful in person when I was watching it. Nature is full of surprises, and in this month of Feb, having rain was really unexpected, and there was a lighting, so this entire scene really made my day. It was very beautiful to watch this. Due to rain and cold breeze, the surroundings was really pleasant, so I thought to eat some popcorn. So I just made this popcorns very quickly, and I enjoyed this. So this was a 1 hour break. I enjoyed the night walk with rain. I enjoyed popcorn, and after it I was feeling energetic, and I started with my sixth study slot. It's around 11:30 and I'm watching the Big Picture episode which comes on Rajya Sabha TV. I really like this episodes because in this particular thing they choose one topic, and on that particular topic they invite three panelists who are related to it, and they discuss a lot of things. So they give their individual viewpoints. So I found this very informative and helpful. It's around 1 o'clock at night and I have started with my seventh study slot. It's the last study slot of the day, and here I'm just reading the CNA Comprehensive News Analysis provided by Byju's, and I'm just going through it. Now mostly my strategy for current affairs is just watching the current affair video, and reading the CNA, and completing current affairs by reading the current affairs magazine. So I found this method really helpful because writing notes every day of current affair, I found it as a very time consuming process. Only sometimes I make notes for the current affair topics which I found which are not well explained in the current affair magazines. This is my point of view, but it varies from person to person. Today I started a little late, around 10, but I managed to have my 9-hour 30 minutes study, but it was good. All the best everyone for your preparation, whoever is watching this video. If you guys like the video, give a thumbs up and press the bell icon to never miss the update, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks everyone.